Hello, hi guys. This is CA Balakrishna from Lecturepedia.in. How are you? Hope you people are doing well. Even I am fantastic. You already know we have recently launched fast track classes for CA Final Auditor. We are also having regular classes for CA Final Auditor. Now, in this video, I will be explaining you what is the difference between fast track classes and regular classes. See, firstly, coming to the duration of the classes, regular classes duration was 120 hours, right? Whereas the duration of fast track classes is 80 hours. That is the first difference. And along with regular classes, you would be getting two books, right? One is concise book and another one was a question bank. You used to get these two books with regular class, whereas with fast track class you will get only concise book, audit concise book, which is a concept book, which is completely a color book that you will be getting. Now coming to the syllabus coverage. Now, of course, regular class it will cover 100% of syllabus, including the question and answers, right? So here concepts and question and answer will be covered, whereas in case of fast track classes only 100% syllabus will be covered, whereas question and answers will not be covered in case of fast track lectures. Okay, but with respect to the concepts are concerned, the same way how we were discussing the concepts along with the examples in a detailed manner in the regular class, in the same way we will be discussing the concepts even in the fast track class also. There will not be any difference with respect to the concepts that will cover in fast track class. Okay, so here only concept discussion will be there, right? Next, now this regular class can be taken by the students who are watching the or who are listening to audit subject for the first time, and they are having sufficient time for their examination. Those type of students can go for regular class, whereas students, the faster class is there, na? This class can be taken by two types of students. First of all, students who have already listened to the audit classes earlier, but they are feeling that their concepts are not thorough, or they wanted another revision of the concepts. So such type of students who feel that they wanted to take the classes again to brush up their concepts and to make their concepts stronger, those type of students can go for fast track classes. And also these fast track classes can be taken up by even those students who have not listened to the classes in the past. Okay, even the first timers can also take these fast track classes, because the 100% conceptual clarity I will be giving in the fast track class. Okay, students who have not listened to classes earlier but the time available with them for their examination is very less, those type of students can also take fast track classes. In fact, along with your preparation you can listen the fast track classes. Okay, you can take the fast track class, let's say only 4 months or 5 months left for your examination, which is of course the preparation time, right? For a CA final examination, preparation of at least 5 months is required. So only 5 months is left and you have not taken classes for CA final audit. So in such a situation what you can do is you can take up this fast track class, and chapter wise you can completely listen the chapter, get conceptual clarity of the chapter, then practice question and answers. Like this you can do chapter by chapter. Okay, so fast track classes will help you for that. Hope that is clear. And in the regular class we will also be discussing case scenarios, which is a case scenario based MCQs. Whereas in fast track classes, we will not be discussing case scenario based MCQs. However, case scenario based MCQs I have uploaded on the YouTube channel, right? So if you have taken fast track classes, you can uh, you know go ahead with the case scenarios with the help of that YouTube channel. right? But however, if you are having sufficient time, like 8 months or 9 months for your examination, I would suggest you to go for regular class only. Okay, you go for fast track class only if the time available with you is less, or you are taking the classes for second time or third time. Hope that is clear. So yes, this is the difference between regular class and fast track class. As per your requirement, you choose the appropriate class. And of course, for purchasing these classes, you can visit our website lecturepedia.in, or you can also download our app, Lecturepedia app, from Play Store. Okay, choose the class that is relevant, that is applicable to you. Okay, hope this video will be useful to you. We'll be meeting in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you.